In this video, we will discuss the basics of ChatGPT, its architecture, and incredible capabilities it's offer. Before we get into the details, let's quickly understand what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It has been trained on a massive amount of text data to generate human-like responses to prompts or questions. And this technology has opened a world of possibilities into natural language processing. Now let's talk about the architecture of ChatGPT. So at its core, ChatGPT utilizes a deep learning technique known as the transformer model. This model is designed to understand the context of the text and give coherent responses based on the given input. One of the most remarkable aspects of ChatGPT is its capabilities. Let's explore a few of them. Conversational engagement. ChatGPT excels at engaging in human-like interaction. It can understand prompts and can generate contextually coherent responses, making the whole conversation very smooth. Language comprehension. ChatGPT has a vast knowledge base acquired from its training on diverse datasets, and it can comprehend and provide information on a wide variety of topics. Task assistance. Whether it's answering questions, providing recommendation, or assisting with tasks, ChatGPT can be a valuable virtual assistant helping users with their specific needs. Creative writing. ChatGPT can be a source of inspiration for writers. It can generate creative ideas, can help with the storyline, and it can also provide feedback on the written content. Personalized interactions. By fine-tuning ChatGPT with specific data, it can be customized to suit various domains, making it ideal for personalized interaction in specific domains. Now that we have a better understanding of the basics of ChatGPT, its architecture, and its capabilities, you must be wondering how can you utilize this tool in your own projects. Whether you're looking to create content or digital marketing, ChatGPT can be a game changer. In the upcoming videos, we will cover each topic in detail, so make sure you watch all the upcoming videos. Now you guys tell what you think about ChatGPT in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. My name is Priyanshu and I will see you in the next video.